Alright, how's it going? Wyatt here at the Team O'Neill Rally School again. Just wanted to address one topic we're seeing a lot of is, do you let your car warm up or do you not let your car warm up when it's winter time? It's 10 below here at the rally school today. You know, throughout the history of automobiles and driving, you let your car warm up when it's this cold out to get the engine up to an operating temperature so that the oil is flowing around and the oil's up in the head and in the valves and your transmission's warmed up and your power steering and your coolant and everything's where it should be, and then you drive away and you have a wonderful time. A few years ago, you know, some experts came out and basically said that, you know, your car doesn't warm up that quickly. If you let it sit here and idle, like this one is behind me over here, it's not going to warm up very quickly, and your car will warm up faster if you drive it. And that is true. So there's been a little bit of a challenge with people to figure out, do I warm my car up? Do I not warm my car up? The answer is, the moral of the story here is, if you can, start your car up in the cold and drive it extremely gently for a period of 5 minutes or more, definitely then okay, go ahead, start your car up, you know, put it in gear, drive along slowly, and really don't put the engine under any real load. Take it super mellow on everything and just go 30 miles an hour down a back road, and what you'll find is the engine will come up to temperature faster and your heat will work sooner, and all of the mechanical moving parts are going to be wonderfully happy. Why are we letting this warm up, and why do I warm my car up in the morning? Because that's not an option, and it's not because I'm just, you know, hardwired to full throttle or something like that. It's because we're up here in northern New Hampshire. It's uphill both ways no matter where you go. Sure, you might drive downhill, but within a few minutes of leaving my house or leaving work here or leaving anywhere, you're going to be driving up a hill, and that's putting the engine under load. And if your engine is 10 below like it is now, or 0 degrees or 10 degrees or any of that, making your engine work even that hard is a big no-no. And so if you're, you know, if your morning commute means you have to drive and then you're getting onto the highway and you've got to accelerate up to 70 miles an hour or whatever to merge with traffic, let your car warm up in the driveway, or drive around the block a few times, or do something like that till the temperature gauge at least starts to register something. It doesn't even have to be in the middle, but get it so that it's a quarter temp or something like that before you put the engine under any load. So that's the real moral of the story there. If you live in a place where you can really baby it out of your driveway and drive, you know, Mother Teresa's driving this car very smoothly and very carefully under no load to the engine, wonderful, let your car warm up that way. But if you live like so many of us that, you know, have to drive up hills or get on an on-ramp or do anything like that where you just have to accelerate and put the engine under load, probably letting it warm up in the driveway is going to be your best bet. So hopefully that clears it up. Thanks for watching again, and we'll check back in with you next time. Let us know in the comments if you got any more questions about anything driving or automotive related, and we'll try and get to it if we can.